Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, I'm sorry I've got bad news today, but let's get into this. Y'all, please subscribe to my channel. Give me your thumbs up. Leave me your comments. I do read all my comments, and I love you all. At the end of this video, I will have another update on Amy. With all this bad news that I'm about to tell you, the news about Amy is good. But it's something totally different. I really want y'all to know. Okay, like I said, this is not good news. Stephen Mnuchin and Mark Meadows, after the meeting yesterday, they said that they are going to recommend to President Donald Trump to sign the executive orders for unemployment, student loans, and rental foreclosures. They said the negotiations are getting nowhere. They see nothing happening, no way soon. That is why they want President Trump to go ahead and sign the orders. Now, President Trump has notified his staff to work on these executive orders on unemployment, eviction protection, and student loan forgiveness. Some say Trump cannot do this. However, Nancy Pelosi said that Congress would have to vote before this happens. In order for a deal to be done, they have to agree on it. Well, they can't agree on anything, so how is that possible? Y'all, President Trump did sign an executive order yesterday to ban TikTok in the United States because China owns it and they could be spying on us. They're supposed to have evidence that they are spying on us. I don't know how true that is, because if it was true, it looks like this executive order would go in effect immediately, but it's going to go in effect in 45 days. That diminishes the merit of it to me. To me, it just seemed like if it was true, it would be right now. In other words, they've got 45 days to do all the spying they want. No progress on the stimulus checks. The House and the Senate agreed that we need a stimulus check. So why don't we have one yet? All they can do is sit back and point fingers at the other side. It don't look like anything will be passed this week. Y'all, please remember these bums come November. Okay, Stephen Mnuchin and Mark Meadows, after the meeting yesterday, they agreed that they will recommend to President Trump to sign the executive orders on unemployment protection, student loans, and rental foreclosure protection. Y'all, like I said yesterday, this can be a double-edged sword. Yeah, we're getting these things that we need if they can pull this off. But on the other hand, it's going to really tick the House and the Senate off, and we won't see a stimulus check for a while. They're going to really drag their feet now, even if we ever see one. So it will help some, but it's going to hurt some. So a lot of bad news today, but that's the way it is. I want to tell you the truth. Okay, now the good news on Amy. Yesterday morning when she woke up, normally when she wakes up, she's real dizzy and headache, real weak. Yesterday morning she says, I want to go with you today on your errands. I said, cool. So she got up and got dressed. We went to Walmart, done a little shopping. We went out for lunch. What else we did? We went to the bank. We was going to go to Walmart after that and get a few more little things that she wanted, but she was getting tired, so we came home and she slept for about 3 hours when we got home. I think she overdid it a little bit, but she is getting up and getting out now, so that's a very good sign. Y'all, thank you for all your prayers, but please keep praying. I'm going to keep praying for her. And y'all, thank you for everything you've done for me. And unless something happens today big, I will see you tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. I won't make another video unless something happens. So please come back tomorrow morning and check out my video at 6 a.m. Y'all, I love you all. Until then, ciao.